Hi, my name is Sean Liverman. I'm a Senior Business Development Executive with the Medical Society of Virginia Insurance Agency. I'm joined today by Carolyn Godby, Senior Vice President of the Insurance Agency. So, Carolyn, in other videos, we talked about the differences between a claims-made form and an occurrence policy form. What we haven't talked about are the advantages and disadvantages of one over the other. In particular, why are medical malpractice policies most often found on a claims-made policy form?
Well, to understand why, it helps to understand an insurance term called IBNR, or incurred but not reported. As we recall, an occurrence form responds to medical incidents that occurred within its policy period, even if these incidents are not reported until many years down the road.
I think I understand where you're going. So the rates for an occurrence policy must somehow include these future incidents. In other words, we could refer to these claims as incurred but not yet reported.
Yes, so when rates are established for an occurrence policy, the company must do their best to forecast for these future anticipated claims based on past trends and experience. But the speculative nature of this approach can lead to pricing inaccuracies.
Interesting. So how does this contrast with a claims-made policy?
Well, since a claims-made policy responds only to claims reported during the current policy period, when the policy period ends, the insurance company knows all the claims that were reported under it. So there's no need to include IBNR except for any reporting or tail endorsements that were issued.
I can see how a claims-made form would allow the insurance company to establish rates more accurately. With rapid changes in the malpractice environment, the company would be able to quickly adjust rates and respond to any changes in the law, among other things.
Yes, you're correct.
I understand how a claims-made form benefits the insurance company then, but is there any benefit to the physician who's insured under a claims-made form?
Yes, as you know, we have a malpractice cap in Virginia. A claims-made policy allows for the adjustment of insurance limits to match the cap each time the policy is renewed.
And the ability to adjust the limit at each policy renewal also provides an opportunity to keep pace with changes in the legal and claim environment. In contrast, under an occurrence policy form, the limit selected for a particular policy period may not be adequate to cover claims reported many years in the future.
You hit the nail on the head, Sean.
Well, thank you. Understanding the differences between these two coverage forms can be confusing. It really is important that your insurance advisor have a thorough knowledge and understanding of these forms. Please contact the Medical Society of Virginia Insurance Agency for more information.